Hello again. So this is day 2, 3, whatever, of my personal vlog that you all said you all were cool with seeing. So today um, I wasn't able to do what I wanted to do, which was show y'all me packing the money box and stuff, because I realized a lot of my money inventory was at my mom's house. If you don't know, I have been living with my mom on and off because of me and my husband separating, and we've come to the conclusion that we are 100% separating. So yeah, after my mom tests negative with her COVID test, then we'll be going back over there. So yeah, but anyway, so today I am actually at the splash park. Here's Cairo right here. He won't go in the water, and then Kennedy there, so you see all the kids and stuff. Kennedy is, where is she? There she is, right there in that pink swimsuit, the back, right there, beside the little girl. Yep, that's Kennedy. So I actually was just sitting here thinking, like, this is one of the reasons why I don't ever want to work for anyone else. I don't ever want to clock in and out for anyone else ever again, because I wouldn't be able to do this whenever I want to. You know, my daughter said she want to go to the splash park. I can just pick up my stuff and her and Cairo and go on to the splash park. You know what I'm saying? So I have been going through some little negativity again, but I fought it off real easily because of my affirmations that I'm saying every morning. Because, you know, just thinking about me and my 2 kids being alone is kind of scary. Thinking that I may be a single mom. So that thought is scary. But then, you know, I got positive again, and see, hold his hand. See if he'll go over there with you. He doesn't like I don't think he likes he either doesn't like the grass or he doesn't like walking in the water. I don't know what it is, but it's funny. You might have to pick him up, Kennedy. You want to go, Cairo? No. You gonna go? Don't take my backpack with you. Let's see what happens, y'all. Because Cairo, he kind of sort of likes water and he doesn't. Don't put him in this. Yeah, go over there. Let's see, y'all. Let's see what he does. But yeah, stuff like this is why I want to continue working for myself. Because I want to be able to do what I want when I want. Especially for my kids. But like I said, that thought of me being a single mom and doing this by myself, it was never something that I thought that would happen for me. I always thought I would be married, have my children and my husband, and, you know, life is not working out that way. Which is fine. My mom was a single mom up until she met, well, you know, her and my stepdad got together. But they were on and off throughout my childhood. So, but yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine with it. I'm going to be okay. I'm keep on doing my affirmations and manifesting, and me and my KJs are going to be fine. If you don't know, that's what I call my kids, because they both had the same initials, Cairo Jenkins and Kennedy Jenkins. Cairo, you didn't want to stay in the water, boo-boo. You didn't want to stay in the water. What happened? Really? Where you going? What are you telling? I don't know if y'all can hear him talking. But yeah, y'all, so I just wanted to let y'all know that, because it is really rewarding working for myself because of days like this. So I already went to my mom's house and got all of my money inventory that I needed to pack boxes. So I'm actually going to pack 3 boxes tonight, and then I'll film that for you guys. All right, see you tonight. All right, so now I am home. I actually already packed 1 box because I wanted to see if everything would fit, because I realized that I was missing an item, well, 2 items, and then so it took a minute, but I got it all together. But let me just say this, not everyone is gonna get the exact same thing, but they're gonna get mostly the same thing. When you are deciding to send people PR boxes or influencers boxes or whomever, make sure you know a couple things. Make sure you know their personal style, like their favorite colors, if they are into like makeup or sunglasses, like what's their favorite accessories, if they are more tomboyish, or do they dress more Instagram baddie, are they more revealing, that sort of thing. You need to know all of that stuff, so that way when you send them a box, yes, it's of your products, but it's still gonna feel like you actually thought about them, and you include not just your products but something else. So I'm actually including some lip gloss in this particular one, and then I'm including things that are like, for example, okay, let me show y'all some of the products that's in here. I'm probably gonna have to step back some or something so y'all can see. Alright, so in my box, I already showed y'all. Did I already show y'all? I done filmed so many damn videos in the past 2 days. I don't remember I showed y'all. But here's my box. I feel like I showed y'all this. I think I showed it to you. Yeah, because I told y'all about how I ordered the wrong size. So yeah, when I reorder and I get the bigger ones, I won't have this problem of not being able to fit all the shit in here. So anyway, let me see if I can back y'all up. So if y'all hear my TV, I'm sorry, but I was watching while I was doing this stuff. All right, so I'm gonna put y'all down some. And just if y'all are wondering, yes, I am filming this the same day as I took them to the park. I just took my twist out while I was sitting there at the park with them, and Cairo we ended up being there for like a little over 2 hours. Cairo did eventually go get in the water and all that stuff. He had a good time. So anywho, I'm not gonna do these in any particular order. It's just, you know, whatever I pick up. So first we have some excuse me, some pink leggings, but they are footed leggings, so the foot is in it. So you see, yeah, these are your feet down there, and here. So we have these. I really hate that I gotta unfold some of this stuff, but oh well, it is what it is. All right, so we got that. I swear I showed y'all. I literally don't remember. All right, so we got earrings. I know I showed y'all the accessories because I showed y'all the body chain, which I don't even know where the body chain. No, I wasn't including a body chain with this outfit. And then the necklace in the box here. Some lip oil for this particular person. This person's gonna get the blue clutch. She's gonna get a black robe, which, yeah, I'm gonna have to unfold it because, darn it, didn't want to unfold it. I'm gonna have to because it's a little bit too big. All right, yeah, so black robe. I'm not gonna unfold it all the way. That's what it looks like. Y'all seen these money robes everywhere. So black robe. This is one of my favorite pieces. I'm actually keeping one for myself. If I ever go anywhere, I gotta go somewhere. I'm going on a date. That's what I want to do, but y'all know how that's going in my life. So if anybody, no, I'm not even gonna say that on camera. Okay, so here's a jumpsuit. It is a really pretty purple color, purple pinkish color. The legs are the scrunch style. Y'all have to see this on. This thing, oh, I love this. This is amazing. This is one of the things that made it hard for me to pack the box because of the scrunch legs. I couldn't get it to fold right without it being bulky. So it really messed me up. I wonder if I can just put it in there like that. I might try that. If I kind of fold it in a square like that, it might work. We gonna see. All right, and then the last thing is gonna be in this particular box for this person. This is a mesh long sleeve jumpsuit, multicolor. It's the same color and style as if any of you all, well, you can go to my site now because I got a few left on clearance. It's a velvet dress that looks just like this, but it's velvet. So yeah. But this is mesh. It's completely like, see, I mean, it's see-through, but it's not too bad. So yeah, I was gonna include one of these in every single box. I think I am. Yeah. So the last box that I packed also had a pink mesh dress in there, but I'm not doing that dress for this particular box. I should do a dress, but this particular person, she's more tomboyish-ish. Not tomboyish, but you don't really see her in a whole lot of dresses, which is kind of why I should have given her one, but I could still give her one and then just put it in the clutch. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go grab that real quick. Okay, so here's what the pink mesh dress looks like. Right here. I kind of don't want to unfold it because it's perfect the way it is to put it inside this clutch, so I'm not going to unfold it. But you all will be able to see what items look like on my site, and I already filmed a TikTok or reel or whatever. I didn't really want to, but then I thought about it, like, yeah, go ahead and do it. You need to do it. So I did it. And it's just, oh, it's just so time consuming. Okay, so I'm actually going to put the mesh dress in the clutch. I'm going to put the lip oil, earrings, and the necklace in here as well. It's not closing all the way. Alright, now I got time for this to mess up. There we go. Alright, so the earrings, necklace, lip oil, and dress are all inside the clutch. That's how we save space. Alright, so I'm going to actually put the phone down so y'all can see. Trying to think how I want to do it. Okay. Alright, so let me switch so y'all can see. So if y'all couldn't tell, it's a struggle to pack these boxes because they're so freaking small. And the first time I packed them, I did them perfectly, but it was because that jumpsuit with the scrunched legs was not in it. So that's why it was so easy for me to pack them. And then that last jumpsuit, for whatever reason, just gave me a bunch of problems. Like, it was that zipper. So yeah, I am going to have to order more of the boxes that are the right size and then save these smaller ones for when people make a smaller order, because you can customize your money box as well as the other themed boxes that I'm going to be coming out with. So yeah, I'm gonna have this smaller one for people who, you know, may not add in that jumpsuit. They may add in another one. Like you can do a jumpsuit, a dress, or like you customize it the way you want to, but you have to have a certain minimum of pieces in order to have a box, because there's a minimum amount that you have to pay for the box. So yeah, but yeah, that was a lot, and I was getting angry because I just could not close the box. You all didn't see that off camera. I ended up unpacking it and then packing it again. Yeah, so that's how that goes. I thought I was going to be able to send the boxes out tomorrow. I'm only going to be able to send one tomorrow because I don't have any more of my big poly mailers here, and I really want to send the boxes in my poly mailers. I only have my small ones, and obviously I need my big ones. My big ones are 14.5 by 19, and these are the 10 by 13, and those are way too small. I need my bigger ones, and my bigger ones are at my mom's house. So whenever I go back to my mom's house, which I think will be Friday, that's when I'll be able to send these other two boxes out, or the other boxes out, and that will still be my time limit, my time frame, or whatever. So we're good. So I'm gonna pray over my box that I'm sending out tomorrow. Y'all pray for me, and then I'll pray over the other boxes that I'm gonna send on Friday, and then y'all pray for me then too. Okay. All right. So I don't know how I'm gonna be releasing these vlogs. I'll probably just do one day, and then another day. They'll probably just be randomly posted. They're not gonna be like on my regular Tuesday at 6 o'clock post. There'll probably just be little extras thrown in there. So yeah, that's where I am right now. And then I also am gonna show you all what I do in the morning time. If I happen to want to film myself getting up in the morning, because I'm not that cute in the morning. But anyway, all right, this video vlog thing, whatever, it's over. I gotta get to making sure that my Shopify Analytics class is scripted, and I know exactly what I'm doing and everything. By the time y'all see this, that class will have already been held live. But if you are watching this video and it is after August 12th, which it should be because I'm not posting it before August 12th, you can get that Shopify Analytics class for $5 off. So just use the code MONEY with 2 Y's, MONEYY, and you all can get it for $5 off. This class is something I'm telling you all, one, it's been highly requested, I just never did it, and then two, it is super important because a lot of people do not understand Shopify Analytics. They don't understand why they're important. They don't understand how to read them. They don't know how to use it for their business. So I wanted to not just talk about it in a regular little presentation. I wanted to actually show you all through numbers. So I'm using a client's, I had someone volunteer for me to use her analytics, and so I'm going to go through it so that way you all won't think that I'm so used to mine, I know how to read it. I'm going to show you how I read someone else's. So I'm not going to be like, when I script this out, it's not for me to like memorize, because numbers change every day. So by the time I teach this class on the 12th, her numbers are going to be totally different. But I just want to make sure that I hit every point. So that's what I need to script out right now, is making sure that I hit certain points. All right, so if you all are interested in that class, which you should be, check in the comments. I will pin a comment at the top. It's going to be the very first comment you see. That will be the comment for you all to click on the link there, get that class for $5 off, okay? All right, you guys, I will see you all later.